Hello everyone and welcome to the Como Layout channel. Now I have another video in the series of 5 useful tips where you already know that they are totally random tips and without any particular topic, so that all or at least one of them can be useful to you. Or that they know that there are other ways of doing things. So without further ado, let's see what they are. Generally they have this part of their cars, the cup holders, all dirty, very messy, and when they want to take out what is there it is difficult for them to get out coin after coin. Well, don't worry because the solution is more than simple. First of all, take out everything you have there. Clean it perfectly with a disinfectant towel or whatever you tend to wash these places with. Let it dry, and when it is dry, just take some containers or these little papers for the rolls. In this case they grabbed some hardy ones, but they can put them in any color they want so they match better with their car. We stand in the holes and they deposit everything they bring. What this is going to be is that when it comes to wanting to remove the coins or things that are there, it will be much easier. But the best thing is that if you see that it is half dirty, you can remove it completely by grabbing the edges of the paper and it will always be clean. They just replace it with a new one if necessary, and they will always keep your car much neater. They always have their hearing aids arranged this way, but when they want to take them out, whether from their bag or backpack, they always have to untangle them because they never stay the same as they put them in the first time. No problem, just take 2 wooden clothespins and with a little white glue or a quick dryer you are going to stick one on the other, but one facing one side and the other facing the other way. Now just remove the excess glue you had, and you did it with the white, and let it dry for a couple of minutes. When it has dried, you will have, as I show you on the screen, a clip on each side that is completely fixed. Now we take our headphones and put the connector in one of the clips and begin to tangle our cable through the middle of the hooks as seen on the screen. Once we get to the end, we just grab the headphones with the other clip, and apart from the fact that they will always be well accommodated, it is so small that we can put it in our pockets, our backpack or any bag, and they will never come loose or mistreated when taking them out as shown in the video. Almost every time we are making roast meat or something else on the grill, we get our hands very dirty, but we have nothing on hand to clean ourselves with because there is no space to put anything. But this tip will help you a lot. Just take a plastic hook, preferably, and cut it in half with tweezers or scissors, as seen on the screen. Now just grab a roll of paper towels and insert it into that part of the hook. It fits perfectly because it is almost the length of the roll. This way you will have a wallet holder that you can hang wherever you want and grab the towels. There. In this case we put it at the bottom of the grill since the fire cannot reach there, and we will always have them on hand so we can clean ourselves when we need it. Where they accommodate you will depend on the place where they do their barbecues and the type of grill they have. Mine is very simple and that's why I can only put it there. But you can put a nail on the wall or a hook where you can hang it where you need it. And speaking of roast meat, you can never miss a good beer, but there is nothing worse than it being hot. But when you put it in the refrigerator it takes a long time to cool down. But not with this. Just grab a paper towel and wet it a little in the sink. Once it is completely wet, just put it on the bottle or can that you want to cool, trying to cover it all, and once you do so, it should look something like this. Now just put it in your freezer for about 10 or 15 minutes, and once this time has passed, take it out and you will have your drink very cold since the paper forms a layer of ice around the bottle, making it cool much faster than if we put it alone in the refrigerator. Whenever they go to the supermarket and put things in the trunk, it is inevitable that some of the bags arrive with things outside, especially if they are soda bottles, cans, etc. And we always end up arranging the bags again to be able to take them out. But with this simple advice that will never happen to you. Just buy one of these plastic boxes that are not expensive at all and always bring it in your trunks. This will not get in your way, and every time you do your shopping you will only have to put the bags in there, and apart from the fact that they will keep them in their place, now you will be able to get home and make a single trip to be able to download all your things. You can buy a bigger box if you prefer so that they can fit much more. As you can see, these are 5 other tips that I hope at least one of them is very useful to you, or that you know that there are things that can be done differently than what we are already used to. And as always, trying to do everything with materials that we already have at home so that they don't spend anything at all. As you already know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. Thank you for watching and I hope you like these tips. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.